Welcome to GBI Cars and a walk around video of our 2021 VW Tiguan Allspace Match. This car comes with the 1.5 petrol turbo engine and a manual gearbox which is ULEZ compliant, producing 148 brake horsepower and while still returning up to 39 miles to the gallon. The insurance group is 16 and this is a one owner vehicle having covered just over 25,000 miles. This particular colour is the metallic blue silk and looks in good condition for the age of mileage of the car. As we have a look inside, you've got the nice clean interior, nice hard wearing fabric there on the seats. There's an armrest there in the centre for the front passengers. And then onto the dashboard, you've got your large multi-media screen there in the centre for your Apple Carplay, satellite navigation and Bluetooth for your phone. This car also has cruise control, climate control, automatic headlights and wipers. And then finally on the driver's door card, you have your electric folding mirror and 4 window controls. The Allspace is a great car for the family, being that slightly bit longer than the standard Tiguan. So good access there into the back, lots of legroom and headroom if you're getting children in and out of car seats. The rear bench has 3 individual seat belts, and also this bench, by the way, can move backwards and forth to increase the volume of foot space if required. And rear passengers have these smart fold-away picnic tables, as well as their own temperature controls there in the centre. As we have a look into the boot, at the moment we've got the third row seat up just to show you a good amount of space there if you're carrying people in the third row. And as we have a look in the boot from this angle, you've still got a good amount of room there, so if you've got the third row seats up, still a good amount of storage space behind. And with the seats folded completely, as you can see, a really good sized boot. And then cleverly underneath the boot floor, you've also got your parcel shelf tucked away when it's not required. Externally, the car comes with front and rear parking sensors, the 19-inch alloy wheels, and also a colour reversing camera. The car's also been independently inspected by the AA, who've been through a 128-point check for your peace of mind. And you'll also receive 12 months AA breakdown cover, a 3-month warranty that you can extend up to 3 years, and we can help you finance the car with no deposit up to 5 years. So if you have any questions or you'd like to book a test drive, then please do give us a call. The number's 01525 305 016. Thanks for watching.